the whole clip. Lights, camera, action. Yep, that's better. That's better.
Alright guys, welcome back to Vehicle Nomads. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and an installation of some Krazy beaver tools. Yes, Camille, that's what they're called.
Yeah.
Cut! No. Oh. Alright. This is their diamond pickaxe with their diamond shovel.
Diamond axe with a diamond shovel.
Alright, what the heck?
What's all that? That's free.
Oh my god,
That's the shovel. And the axe. That was.
there's a lot of tape.
Shovel's iron.
Hold up.
Let me hold that thing.
Look at this. Look at this thing. Hold up. I'm not going to let you hold it yet because I don't want you to get hurt. Look at this shovel. Is this a sticker? Oh, that's all that matters. I don't need the tools no more. Look at this. Look at this.
I know.
Look at this. Look at this shovel. No, Camille, I want that sticker.
I'll take it.
What is it? What the heck is this?
What the? Comment down below if you know what that is.
I know, right?
That was perfect.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. All right.
Comment down below if you know what that is.
So we got the shovel. Oh. Alright. Now.
I get the next
the moment.
sticker. I get the next sticker though. Alright?
No, they're all my stickers.
I need at least one small thing.
Alright. Look at this. Look at this.
It's the
Look
small.
at this.
The small axe. Don't pull too hard. See if it's diamond or not.
I don't want this sticker here. You could have these stickers.
Man. Wait, which one?
I don't want that sticker
Yeah, watch
either.
it.
I don't want that sticker. I don't want that sticker.
I'm gonna take that out later. Open it up.
There's steam coming from the box you're sitting on, Alex.
These tools are just that hot.
Iron. Not nearly as diamond.
Whoa, this is kind of cool. You gotta hold it. Alright.
In the camera.
You're gonna burn down the garage. Here, be careful with it. Don't swing.
Oh, it's heavy.
Alright, give it. You're a psycho. The face. Fred's gonna hold it.
Nah, I'm good.
Yeah. Alright guys, so now that we're in the back of my truck, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna be setting it up. This is just temporary until I cover the cap and carpeting and lights and all that. But what we're gonna be doing pretty much is we're gonna take the axe and we're gonna mount it up somewhere like right here. Just for quick access, you know, on the trails or if you're camping or whatever, you don't gotta go all the way to the back of your truck to get them. And I don't want to have all this stuff on the outside because I do park on the street sometimes. So I'm just gonna keep it up here, and the shovel probably just right behind it. Again, easy access if the truck's you know, packed up or whatever. So, can you still see me, Camille?
Yeah.
Okay. So.
Your head. If you're going down, you can see. Yeah, pretty good.
Just my head?
Yeah. When you go down like that.
Okay. Alright, so what we're doing is quick fist clamps came with these. Let me show you guys right here. It's like these little things like washers or whatever. We're not going to be using those. We're actually going to be using, I'll take these out. So I have these nuts and bolts right here. It's just, you know, simple Home Depot stuff. I took a metal washer and I'm gonna be putting, instead of using the plastic washers, I'm just gonna be putting it right here. I'm gonna run it up from the top of the cap. I'm gonna be drilling holes and the top. So from the top down, I'm gonna run these bolts through this, through the washer. Let me see if I can get it. I'll show you guys in a sec. But they're pretty much gonna sit like right there with these coming straight down through. And I'm obviously gonna have to, you know, cut these bolts to fit the length, because as you guys can see, they're a bit too long. So if I leave them as is, they're gonna stick. So what I'm gonna do is once we get the right, you know, distance, I'm gonna go ahead and chop these up. You good back there, Camille?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so that's pretty much the game plan. Right now I'm just trying to figure out where exactly to mount this, because okay, so it's gonna sit like this. Camille, what do you think? Right here?
Just a little bit more, one more inch back.
Right,
Yep, perfect.
right there. Okay. So, alright, so I'm gonna run one here and probably one right here. So I'm just using a step bit on my drill. It's not too thick that I have to, you know, worry about opening it up too wide. I'm just gonna open it up just so the this bolt could drop right through. Once it drops right through, you know, then I'm gonna put silicone, make sure it's airtight, watertight, and just run up these quick fist clamps through them, and that's pretty much it. Bada bing, bada boom, right, Camille?
Yep.
Alright. So, right here, so about here, okay. So, about right here. What I'm gonna be doing now is, these are cheap, quick, they're good quality, but they're just, you know, $10 for a set. So if you mess it up, you know, you can just order new ones. What I'm gonna be doing is opening up the hole that they come with, just so the bolt could go through it quicker, like smoother, without having to be, you know, like forced through. Oops, because look, see. There you go. There you go. So just the minute amount, and then you take one of these guys. Make sure. See, I can still open it up a little more. I don't know how am I gonna do this one, Camille. Let's see. Oops. Alright, Camille, I'm gonna need your help. You gotta come from behind the camera.
Alright.
So if you guys are doing this by yourself, you're gonna need a hand. At least if you mount it where I'm mounting it. So my little assistant right now, she's getting up.
The assistant. The assistant awakens.
Awakens? What, are you asleep?
Yes. Hello. Hello.
Okay. Alright, so as you guys saw, you're gonna need two hands for this. She's Camille, my little sister, so she's gonna be helping me out because none of my friends want to help me out. Shout out to them. Here you go, Camille. So what you're gonna do is, look, I'm gonna get this started, but you're gonna hold this. You see this hole?
Yeah.
You're gonna hold this on the bolt so I can get it through, okay? Here. Okay, watch out, because I gotta close this.
Up, I'm pushing it. Okay.
Is it going in?
Whoa! It took the thing.
Hold it.
It took the thing.
Yeah, but hold it.
We're holding it. Okay, I kind of see it going through.
Okay.
I let go. Oh, more time.
Hold it, okay?
Alright.
Got it?
Yeah.
Going through?
Yep, it's good. It's tightened on. Well, the thing doesn't even move anymore. Yep, good. Tight as a bolt.
Oh, nice.
Ready.
Alright.
It's recording.
Alright, so the most important thing you can't forget is silicone. You want to make sure you add some silicone both sides, top and bottom, just to make sure that, you know, when it starts pouring rain and you're sleeping in here, you don't wake up with your feet wet, you know, from this. Alright, let me get my phone.
I'd just like to ask, please be ready
What?
when you do this.
Yeah, exactly.
Done.
Alright guys, so as you guys saw, we got the first one in. Pretty much we ran the bolt through the top, silicone, washer, nut, and then this thing's not going nowhere. So right now I'm gonna do the second one right about here, and then we could go ahead and mount the axe. The shovel is pretty much the same way, so I'm not gonna, you know, repeat myself. I'm just gonna show you guys the end result. But again, you mark the spot you want to go in. You make sure that these, I'm putting these to pull backwards. So you guys are in the back of the truck. So to close them, you push up. To release them, you pull down. So it's like a quick release, you know. So this one's gonna be right about here. Let me see. So as you guys saw, we got these two in. Let's go ahead and mount the axe. Whew, it is hot, Camille. Alright,
Yeah.
so to mount the axe, let's see, oops. Kinda, oh yeah, this is perfect.
I'm not holding anything.
This is
1 tool in.
perfect. Honestly, this is like the best spot for it to be in, because now if I need it, I can just pull these down and it's just gonna drop right down on me. And off-roading, you know, using the truck on a daily basis, these are not gonna go anywhere. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and get this shovel. Watch your head, Camille.
Uh-oh.
The shovel is gonna be installed somewhat like this, right here. I got it probably like right here. I gotta figure out a spot. I'm gonna position it, but once we're done, I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. Alright guys, so after about, I would say, an hour's work, a little help from Camille over here, we got the axe and the Krazy beaver tools, you know, mounted into the cap. We'll move over, Camille. I don't know how well you guys can see. Okay, gonna do a little time lapse, not time lapse, whatever it's called. So yeah, that's kind of like the goal right there. The whole cap is gonna be covered in carpet, so once that happens, I can just take them off and go ahead.
Do it again.
and just kind of rough carpeting. No, I'm not gonna redo the whole thing. I'm just gonna cut the carpets and strips and put it there. I'm not too concerned on having the carpet look, you know, perfect or whatever. It's just so it's not, you know, black on white. I really don't care about it, but it'll look better. But yes, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions on the bolts I used or anything like the installing process, just leave them in the comments below. I'm gonna list this kit that I ordered in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.